Hey, hi everybody. I haven't done this in a while, so I'm just taking a little video of one of my gallery walls at my studio. Sometimes I hang things here to let them dry. So I'm just going to give you kind of a view of what I've got up right now. Been working on a lot of still lifes. Some of these I did a while ago. Some of them are more current, like the one on the bottom here. And these ones here, the sunflower and the kind of striped bottle with roses. I have a landscape there from Lambertville, New Jersey. And a little small still life, 8x10 of some tomatoes. And my studio's in my basement. I've been down here for a while. It's got these great white walls, which are, I don't know what kind of wood, but I painted them when I moved in. White. So we've got a landscape here, a couple of them. One's from Maine, this one with the interesting clouds. It's a farmhouse that I really became enamored with on my walks in the morning. And then a couple other still lifes down here. A self-portrait. And then a painting of my dog who passed away a couple of years ago. And then this early fall I started doing I did a small series from inside my garage. So that's one of them. And this still life here at the top I just finished up today. It's a little 8x10. Underneath the landscape from last summer, out behind some farmland. And this is a combination of imaginary and actual landscape. This was something I was moved to do in response to all the racial unrest in our country. And then just another little still life from, it's a scene on in my town, on one that I pass by regularly on some of my walks. And what else do we have here? I wash some of my work area. And these are also two more recent pieces. The top one's a larger still life. And this one down here is a 11x14 landscape that I did from a photograph when I was doing some plein air painting in a little town called Allentown, New Jersey. And I like to change these around every so often so you can get a more broad perspective of the space. And that's it. Thank you for looking today. I'll be back again sometime soon. Bye now.